Look, let's be clear, Teslas are not cheap. They're supposed to feel expensive and do things that at least rival the more expensive German Crew, but do they? Does the 40k price tag actually make you feel like you just bought a Merc or a budget Dacia? Well, you should probably know what you're getting into, right? So here are 8 things you'll absolutely hate about owning a Tesla, from the daily annoyances to the deal-breaking frustrations. Now, number 1. When Teslas first hit the road, they turned heads everywhere. Now, Model 3s and Ys are common as VW Golfs. That wow factor has completely gone. You might have spent 40k on something that doesn't really feel special anymore. Number 2, the driving experience. Instant torque is fun for the first month, but beyond the 0-60 sprint, Teslas are actually quite dull to drive. The steering feels artificial, suspension is quite crashy, and the noise, well, there isn't any. For car enthusiasts, it can feel like more of an appliance than an actual driver's car. Number 3, no CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, you buy a car in 2025 and you expect your phone to connect seamlessly. In a Tesla, well, forget it. No Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, no Waze on the big screen. You're stuck with Tesla's own navigation, which is fine, until you realize that every other 20k hatchback for half the price has got better phone integration. The touchscreen controls everything as well. Minimalist looks do look quite cool, first time round. No buttons, just one big giant screen. But when you're driving, trying to adjust the wipers or change the air vents becomes quite distracting actually. You're swiping through menus instead of keeping your eyes on the road, and what feels futuristic on day 1 can actually feel quite frustrating and perhaps borderline unsafe once you live with it daily. Number 5, the range is not what you think. The brochure might say 300 miles of range. In reality, cold weather, motorway speed, or just spirited driving can cut that by a third. Which, to be fair, is an issue with all EVs, but don't be tricked. You'll be stopping the superchargers more often than you thought. Number 6, cheap interior materials. The giant touch screen tricks you into thinking it's a luxury product. Then you touch the plastics, feel the panels creak, and notice the seats wearing way too quickly. For that same price, you expect Audi or BMW quality. What you actually get feels close to budget Kia from 10 years ago. Number 7, build quality roulette. Now, some Teslas do actually roll off the line looking pretty good. Others, panel gaps wide enough to lose your keys in, misaligned trims, and even water leaks. It's luck of the draw, and on a 40 or 50k car, that's just not good enough. Number 8, service and repairs. Now, Tesla doesn't actually have a dealer network like other brands. That means if something goes wrong, appointments can be quite scarce, parts can take weeks, and loan cars are a bit of a hit or miss. A simple issue could leave your car off the road far longer than you'd expect, and this, more than anything else, is what really drives Tesla owners mad. So there you have it, 8 things you'll hate about owning a Tesla. Now don't get me wrong, they are still groundbreaking in many ways, but living with one every day, it's not as perfect as the marketing makes out. Which one of these would be the biggest deal breaker for you? The missing CarPlay, the build quality lottery, or the nightmare of Tesla service? Drop your answer in the comments.